Business owners, if you're using your personal credit to fund your business, you might be quietly crushing your personal credit and blocking yourself from bigger approvals later down the line. But trust me, I'm gonna help you block and stop all of this, because in today's video, we're breaking down the best zero APR business credit card options in 2026, focusing on the lanes that my clients are actually using and actually getting approved with. So what I want you to do is go grab your pen and paper, and without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gents, business owners, whoever's, really watching this, here's the pattern that I kept seeing with business owners. They need money to grow, ads, inventory, payroll, equipment. So they're swiping their personal credit cards. Probably hit close to home. But then their personal utilization jumps up and your score starts dipping. And when your score drops, approvals get harder, limits get smaller, and you start getting boxed out of better funding options. Then a lot of business owners try the other route, which is MCAs, or I like to call them shark loans. They go for these MCAs or merchant cash advances because it's quick money, okay? But the problem is, the daily or weekly payments start to creep up. It squeezes your cash flow so hard that you're not scaling anymore. You're stagnant, and now you're just feeding a payment. That is why I like zero APR business credit cards so much. Now, with a zero APR business credit card, it's kind of like a free runway, okay? Hear me out. You get a window of 6 to 12 months or even longer, and you can invest your money without having to pay interest during the promo period, okay? And another big advantage is this: business credit cards typically don't impact your personal utilization the same way personal credit cards do, okay? And another big advantage is that business credit cards typically don't impact your personal utilization the same way personal credit cards do. So when you use these the smart way, you're building business without wrecking your personal credit profile, okay? So let's actually get into the options, because I know that's what you're waiting for, but I just want to give you that information. Spectra Credit Union has a standout play that most people are not really talking about. Their Business Zero card comes at a whopping 0 APR for 18 billing cycles, ladies and gents. That's almost 2 free years of interest-free runway. And this card is backed by Elon Financial. So if you've been around business for quite a long time, then you probably know a lot about Elon Financial. If you don't, I promise you it's okay. Elon Financial backs a lot of businesses and a lot of small banking systems that you probably don't know about, but when you're in that ecosystem, you know that you can get high limits. I help one of my clients right now get approved for over $16,000 with this credit card, okay? And I really want you to understand why this really matters. Because most business owners don't need just money. They need time. They need time to buy inventory. They need time to run ads, marketing, and again, to help the train continue to keep moving. So time to reinvest profits before interest starts eating the plan, okay? So here's the rule. This isn't just free money. It's free time. So you never want to use the card unless you can answer this one question, okay? How does this purchase bring money back into the business before the 0 APR period ends? Because if you swipe with no plan, you're just delaying the pain. Does that make sense? Quick break. I hope that you're enjoying the video, but this could change your business forever. If you're a business owner that's trying to scale, I got some free gifts for you. First up, we have our credit bootcamp. Video trainings where I personally walk you through how to access up to $150,000 in capital, step by step. No fluff, don't worry about it, and straight game. I usually reserve some of the information that I gave you here just for my private clients. And I'm also adding more. Plus, I'm dropping a free inquiry removal kit, okay? This is the exact system that you can use to delete hard inquiries in 48 hours flat. It's all 100% free. The only thing that's gonna cost you is your email. That's it. Or you can click the link below to sign up for our free capital consultation where I can help you gain up to $300,000 in capital. So again, click the link below and grab it now. But enough about that. Let's get back to the video. Next, with card number 2 is from BMO. I look at BMO as, well, just to say right now, I'm still working with BMO. It's one of my newer banks that I'm helping a lot of clients get approvals for. But what I've noticed is they're all about relationships. So it's a relationship lane. And what I mean by that is you're probably going to have to establish some type of relationship with them for at least 30, 60 days or however long you need until you actually apply for any of these credit cards. It's not like, Spectra, like Elon Financial, where you can just go in and immediately apply. This is a relationship-based, small banking system. It's not really a credit union, but, it's close to it. Now, BMO has the Business Platinum credit card, and it has a 0 APR offer for purchases for up to 12 months. A full year with no interest. That can be powerful if you're using the money the correct way to grow, invest, and then pay it down strategically, okay? Now, again, since this is new, here's the client results. I did help a client get approved for up to $18,000 with BMO, the BMO Business Platinum, okay? But the biggest tip I said with BMO is this. Don't meet the bank on the application day, okay? I'm just going to reiterate this because if you want the best shot, establish the relationship first, okay? So what I mean by that is open the business checking, move deposits around, and run money consistently, okay? Show them that you're a real operating business because, banks don't just approve applications, they approve stories. Now, BMO also has the BMO Platinum rewards credit card, and that one offers a 0 APR for 9 months, almost a full year, but still good. I'm not going to claim stacking rules or say you can automatically hold on to both because I'm still, running certain things through and trying to collect all my data points, but always confirm directly, with the bank or a lender. But either way, it's a solid option to keep, you could basically keep this on your wish list while you're trying to build a capital plan, if that makes sense. Now, with card number 3, we're talking about Key Bank, okay? Key Bank is one of my favorites when it comes to, small banking and also credit unions, if you use it correctly, especially if you need it for balance transfers. Balance transfers are good for strategy and breathing room. But I'll get on more into that in a second. They also offer business credit card options with 0 APR for 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers made early in the account. Okay, and they actually have 3 credit cards all offering the 0 APR. Now, I have helped a few clients get approved with KeyBank, but a lot of the approvals have been going pretty much around that $20,000 range. And their primary need wasn't even new spending. They needed a balance transfer to really move debt around. I'm talking about the most recent client that I got approved for. They really didn't need it for capital. Again, they just needed to, transfer some debt over to try to pay it off without, bleeding in interest. Because sometimes the goal isn't to just spend more. Sometimes the goal is to stop, paying stupid interest. I'm just going to be honest with you. So if you're paying high interest somewhere else, moving it into a 0 APR window can reduce pressure and free up cash flow, okay? And give you room to stabilize. And once you stabilize, you'll be able to scale, higher and also faster, okay? But with all that being said, I want you to zoom out, okay? Because approvals like 16, 18K, 20K, just don't happen by accident. If you want to eventually stack $50,000 to $300,000 in business capital, you need 2 foundations, okay? So listen to me clearly. Number 1 is a strong personal credit profile. Yes, it's all about business funding, but because you're small business, your personal credit still matters when it comes to approvals. So if you want to keep your utilization low, pay on time, and avoid applying in branch of things back to back to back, I'm really just going to say the strongest personal profiles are clean, stable, and they're also predictable, okay? Foundation number 2, we're talking about the proper business setup. Banks want consistency, okay? I'm just going to be honest with you. Banks want entities that are set up correctly. Business information needs to match on all platforms, no matter what it is. And your story needs to make sense. What you do, how long you've been operating, what is this funding going to be used for? Does the request match the reality? Messy stories equal messy approvals. Clean stories equal higher limits and easier scaling, okay? So listen to those 2 foundations again, and I promise you will have no issues getting high capital. But let's quickly recap. If you're able to have the business entity and also the personal credit setup, Spectra Credit Union is a really good place to get almost 2 years of 0 APR, BMO, a full year, and then we're talking about Key Bank with 3 credit cards, each with 0 APR of 6 billing cycles, half of a year. So if you try to utilize this correctly, getting 18, 16, 20, no matter what it is in capital, and stacking all of that, you will have the capital that you need in no time to either start or scale that business in whatever niche that you're possibly in. Now, I know a lot of you are probably looking at this and like, man, Eric, that sounds awesome. That sounds great. I got denied here. I really don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Maybe I set this up wrong. I promise you, I'm going to help you out, because what I want you to do is click the link below right now to sign up for a capital consultation with me. For all my business owners here at Everhard Capital, we help every single business owner scale and start their business with high amounts of capital. We make sure that we scale and actually set up your business entity correctly, make sure that your personal credit is where it needs to be, and then we execute with a personalized Fund 5 sequence that we personally do for you to make sure that you can actually scale and get the capital. So again, what I want you to do is click the link below right now, and I'll definitely see you on that call. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope this helps you guys, whether it's all 3 or 2 or even just one of these banks, so you can get some type of funding so you can go ahead and start. Again, I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and until next time, ladies and gents.